Hi, I'm Johnny, and today I'm going to show you the English staple Sunday morning full English breakfast. It's going to get you writing them good books at home. So what we've got a pan on. It's going to be at a medium heat, so we're going to cook everything in the pan. We start off with the sausages, and I'm going to put them all around the edges. So I'm going to use the edges to turn them constantly. I'm going to keep an eye on them. So we've got the sausages, we're going to have the bacon, we're going to have the fried egg just to finish. In another pan, we're going to have the tomatoes and we're going to have the mushrooms. Everything is going to be on, everything's going to be cooking, everything's going to come together as one and it's going to be banging at the end. So we've got a pan, medium heat, a little bit of oil, and we're going to crack on with the tomatoes and mushrooms. But also, what we've got to start doing is we've got to start thinking about exactly what's cooking here. But the reason why we put them on the edge is so we can turn them and use the edge to colour everything nice and even. Okie dokie, so we've got the sausages cooking. We're going to get the bacon on in a sec. Bacon time. If it ain't smoked, it ain't bacon. Lovely rashers of smoked bacon. Beautiful. For me, this is the game changer. Straight into the pan, and that's what you want to hear. You want to hear the frying. If you don't hear the frying, your pan ain't hot enough, and nobody likes boiled bacon. Tomatoes. I'm just going to take the top off, take a little bit of the bottom. That's all we need. Put the pan on, and we're just going to cook it slowly in there. Mushrooms, super simple. All we're going to do is I'm just going to prep them, and then we're going to fry them right at the end. This is how we're going to prep the mushrooms. Simple, easy. Into a bowl, we'll fry them off at the end. Sausages are cooking, we're continuously turning them. We've got the tomato on, always keep on watching it. Then at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to turn it over to the other side and it starts to cook through it nice and evenly. Mushrooms are going in on the side. Leave them to the side, let them fry. Bacon's on, sausages are done, beans are warming. Now it's time to get that pied de resistance and get the egg on, yeah? Now it's done. Time to eat. Got a jazzy little plate. Tomato, lovely caramelised. Place them to the side. Evenly coloured sausages, crispy bacon. Hello. There's your fried egg. So, that there is my super easy, super quick, full English breakfast. And all you've used is 3 pans. That's it. 3 pans, a little bit of love. Not only have I cooked you a delicious breakfast that's going to win anybody over, I'm also going to show you a sneaky little tip. After we've cooked, there's always fats, always oils in pans. Everyone goes to put them down the sink. We ain't going to do that anymore. We're going to leave it to the side. I'm going to just pour it in a bowl. I know at this stage, in its liquid form, you're going to be tempted to pour it down the sink, but we ain't going to do that. We're going to leave it to cool, and then we're going to dispose of it properly in the dustbin. In the bin, never the sink. Let's help reduce 25,000 blockages across the Northwest alone each year by binning your cooled oil and fat instead of ditching it down your sink. For more information on my recipes, check out the link on the screen now.